Do you know that the Kurdish word Karwan is now an English word also? Karwan In English, we say caravan. This word came into the English language because of the British Empire. The British learned this Persian and Kurdish word and also started using it for a group of people traveling a long distance together, usually on horses or camels. We still use this word to speak of a group of vehicles or automobiles traveling together. If you go on a picnic to Shaklawa, you might travel in a caravan of 3 or 4 vehicles with your relatives. We can use caravan as a noun, this line of vehicles, or also as a verb, to caravan. I've met many people in Kurdistan with the name Karwan. So Kak Karwan, if you are watching this, now you know that your name in English is Mr. Caravan. Caravan is another Kurdish word that is hidden inside of the English language.